I recently was asked to show how I did this simple yet elegant hairstyle. So here's how I created this large French braid updo using my individual braids. I'll be working on 2-week-old braids. I start at the top center of my head. I gather a small section of braids right at the crown. This is where the braid begins. Then I begin a French braid with the individual braids. Now, I would suggest, if you're not too familiar with how to plait, watching a couple of YouTube videos on how to do a simple plait. I split that top section into 3 parts, just like I would with a basic braid. As I braid down, I keep adding more braids from the sides into the main braid. This is the French part. I'm braiding overhand, laying the outer sections over the middle one. Then I keep adding in braids as I move down. I continue braiding down the back of my head, adding more braids from the left and right sides into the main braid as I go. It helps to smooth and pull the braids snug so the pattern lays flat and clean. So I make my way slowly down. So I've slowed down the video a little bit just to show you how to do this. But if you need to have it running slower, go ahead and do that. Now when I get to the end, I'm going to tuck and pin if needed. So once I reach the nape, I tuck the ends under into a flat roll and secure everything with a pin for a neat finish if you need to. I didn't have to use any pins, but you may have to. Now, optionally, if you have any stray braids, you can pin them down. So any shorter or layered braids around the edges, you can go ahead and pin them into the style to keep it uniform. I also like to pull a couple of strands in the front to give it an extra je ne sais quoi, an extra look. And that's it. Now, go ahead and try this hairstyle and let me know what you think. Till next time, bye.